Somebody please kill me. Someone please. Fuck my life. The Hollywood Police Department has issued a civil emergency alert. At 4:50 p.m. a man was spotted running around nude while he was punching people and calling them bitches. Geez, I really wish I met that man because I just wanna die and not have to go through this shitty job anymore. If you see this man in the public, do not approach him. Actually, I'm fucking sick and tired of this job. Why is my life so horrible? I just wish it would end. I'm gonna literally blow this fucking place up. I'm so mad right now. The instructions for this alert will be if you see this man out in the public, approach him so you can get beaten. And last of all, fuck you. Anyways, I'm going to play Minecraft until this man is unfortunately arrested. Have fun getting beaten, motherfucking ashholes.